Hi everyone, I'm Roy. In this lesson, we'll explore how to toggle a motor on and off using jump, JMP, and label, LBL, instructions with one push button. The one-shot rising, OSR, and dummy bit work together to ensure that the motor toggles only once per button press, even if the button is held down. Okay, now we move to hardware section. Here's a hardware list. Allen Bradley Micrologics 1000 PLC. Contactor. Overload. Motor. One push button normally open. The PLC will serve as the core control unit, executing the PLC program for all hardware. Detailed explanation of the program. One-shot rising, OSR. When the push button is pressed, the OSR instruction detects the moment the input goes from low, OFF, to high, ON. This creates a single toggle pulse, which ensures that the motor is toggled only once, even if you hold the button down. Jump, JMP, and label, LBL. The toggle pulse from the OSR triggers the JMP instruction, which tells the PLC to jump to a specific label in the program. At the label, LBL, the motor output is flipped. If the motor was ON, it is turned OFF, and vice versa. Dummy bit, B3:0. The dummy bit, B3:0, serves as memory to track the motor's current state. It works with the OSR to store the last state, ensuring the motor toggles only once per press. This bit holds whether the motor is ON or OFF. Program flow. Press 1. The OSR detects the button press and generates a toggle pulse, which makes the JMP instruction jump to the label. The motor output is then toggled, ON or OFF, and the state is remembered in the dummy bit. Press 2. The JMP instruction and the dummy bit work together to toggle the motor again, switching it from its current state. Now, let's check if the program works as expected. Everything is running smoothly. The motor is toggling on and off with each push button press, as intended. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to use a latching relay to toggle the motor on and off. This method will let us maintain the motor's state even after releasing the push button. See you in the next lesson.